Hello, good morning. I'm Jasper from ZTMAC-Machinery. This is our high-frequency machine. It has using for the heat transfer the embossing of the shoe upper. One table but two workstation supply two workers to operation in the same time. Work just sit down to operation is very easy. First, to put the shoe upper on the board. Next, to put the material and the die molding on the shoe upper. It have been well done, just 30 seconds is okay. To strongly adhesive the shoe upper and ZTMAC. Where can you contact in WeChat and linking in 24/7 time?